Are you a painter that is struggling with paints, or you're wondering how to start your painting, or the material that you need to start your painting? In this video tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how I start my painting and the best ways to start your painting. So before we go into the tutorial or how I'm going to explain, work like this don't really take me time, because using Aclylic to paint after having my sketch of the reference picture that I want to paint, then I go straight to applying the colors. Sometimes I start from the darker to the lighter area, as you can see. So developing this picture really got my attention because of a younger brother was trying to feed her younger sister. So it show and depicts the love. So I was really impressed. If it's our first time coming across this channel, subscribe or follow me for more art and tutorial and tips. Here I help the upcoming artists which are struggling both realistic painting, charcoal painting or pastel. So if it's our first time, just subscribe so that no knowledge is wasted. Each time I draw tutorial, it could be pastel. From here you can learn one or two things. So this is how I do my painting. So from the beginning to the end, applying the color. Here every stroke of brushes really counts. So painting your painting any artwork really um have to do with your patience and you know developing the picture. So as you can see, the painting was up. Hope you like it. Subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tips. Follow, comment, tell me what you think about the painting. It can help me to improve and help you to improve as well. So stay tuned for more art and tutorial. This painting is a love, it depicts love and kindness. So if you find this video interested, help me share and comment for more. So happy I like it. Thank you. See you in my next video at Dasunnex. At much love.